Hello friends, this is Anup and welcome to Techies Track again. Today I am going to talk about from where you can buy MI band strap. If you're MI band, yes, where you can buy the MI band strap. The reason for asking this because most of the time your MI band strap is not available on MI shop. They are not available even on online on the mi.com. So then where I go and buy the strap, I have gone through with this, and I found while going with this process, like what is good product, what is not good, so which one we can buy and which one we can rely. So that's why I'm making this video to help you if you are planning to buy a strap. This might help you a lot. So let me go through what exactly I've done. So first I bought the amazon.com this particular product, which is brain freezer polygon. They are supporting Xiaomi mi band 2 and HRX both, but when I ordered this product it was not good. So you please don't buy this because it's waste of money, and the price is 280 rupees. The rating is also 3.3 out of 489 customer. So it doesn't make any sense. I somehow still bought it, and then I was not able to replace it. Still it's with me in drawer and I can't use this. So this product is not comfortable. Even the fitting is not perfect. When you pull out something and you want to fit it again, it is not happening. It's very clumsy and not designed properly and not comfortable at all. So then I said, okay, whatever happened, let me move on and try something else. Then I tried from the Flipkart this particular product, which is Orbit Byte replacement band strap, and they also support the Xiaomi Band 2 and HRX both. The price is very decent, it's 200 rupees only, and you can see the rating is 4.1 out of 4, more than 4,000 customer, right? So it this really makes sense to me. Then what happened? I said, okay, let me try this out, and then I ordered this. Their design exactly sleek like Xiaomi, and everything I'm using from last 15 days. This band is wonderful. Even if you are getting the original band from the Xiaomi on the MI shop, you don't need to buy now because you will unnecessarily paying more than 500 rupees at least for the same thing, but they are giving 200 rupees. Their quality is exactly like Xiaomi, so I don't think even that you need to buy. You can rely on this if your band is mi2 and HRX. I am not claiming for mi band 3 or mi band 4 because I haven't used it and they also not return that, so that's why. But HRX I have used personally, and that strap is wonderful. So I thought that might help you if you are planning to buy a new strap. And thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Keep watching on Techie Track. You will get a lot of information every day or every week or every month. But yeah, keep watching. Thank you for watching.